Article presents Assembly Tutorial and Troubleshooting for the Interlock Mechanism Disengaging Solution. An interlock mechanism on drawers will prevent dressers from tipping over by only allowing one vertical drawer to be opened at once. In this video, we will cover explaining the interlock mechanism, identifying when the interlock mechanism is disengaged, and fixing the interlock mechanism issue. Step 1. When taking the drawer out, unlock the drawer glide latch so the drawer can be removed. Remove the drawer that isn't currently closing all the way. This will indicate that the interlocking mechanism has become disengaged. Step 2. Move the interlock peg at the back of the drawer. Step 3. Reinstall the drawer by putting it back in place and then putting the latch to the lock position. Step 4. Push the drawer back into place. If another drawer continues to be disengaged, simply repeat the steps from the beginning until all the drawers are in place. We trust that you found this video helpful. Remember, if you need any further assistance, we're just a click away at www.article.com/help-center.